Hello, and welcome to UDL in 15 Minutes, where educators discuss their experiences with UDL. I'm Louie Lord Nelson, UDL author and leader. Here in the United States, we just celebrated Thanksgiving and we slid into December. For many, this month kicks off a lot of shopping, a lot of eating, and a lot of socializing. I'm willing to bet, though, it's similar where you are, and you know I'd love to hear your examples. It's the middle of our school year in the U.S., but other nations are moving into the end of their semesters with an end-of-the-year break ahead of them. No matter where you are in your teaching calendar, thank you for all of your hard work. Because we're in the midst of holidays, my string of guests asked to record in the upcoming weeks. Fortunately, UDL in 15 Minutes celebrated its one-year anniversary in October, and there's over 6 hours of easy listening and learning. Add in the blogs, and you've got another hour of learning. And don't forget the discussion guide from episode 7. Use it to enhance your exploration and conversations. Back in July of 2019, I created an easy-to-read table with links that ordered the podcasts by grade and subject. For this week's podcast, I've updated that table, and it's posted at the udlapproach.com/media. And remember, stories about UDL implementation are transferable to all grades and subjects. I guarantee that you'll learn from the 8th grade teacher even if you teach first and vice versa. If you haven't yet, be sure to subscribe to this podcast via iTunes or wherever you like to access your podcasts. With almost 13,000 listens, UDL in 15 Minutes is becoming a trusted source for your stories about UDL. If you have a story to share about UDL implementation for UDL in 15 Minutes, you can contact me through the udlapproach.com. And thanks to everyone for your work in revolutionizing education through UDL and making it our goal to develop expert learners.